channel. My name is Robyn and this is my closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you're returning, as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I do have some giveaways, and I will leave the giveaway link below because I'm getting ready to do them. So I want to make sure you are all entered. And I do all sorts of unboxings, and I'm getting more into the lifestyle, all about me type of boxes. And today I have a Blessed box. I had the subscription for a few months last year, and then I canceled because I was getting a lot of the same, and I started it up again because I saw some of the great products that they were putting in there. Monthly subscription, and I think a lot of the boxes are going to like a sample box where you can pay $20 or $25 and you can get some samples of what like the big boxes look like. And I think I got a regular box and a sample box on Blessed box. So I'm not sure which one this is. And you open it up and it's ready to be blessed. It's got the magazine, everything that's in there, how to use it, where you can buy more. Then save 20% at certain places, and a coloring book. How great is that? And the Seaweed Bath Company. Lots of fun stuff in here. Tissue. Everything's well protected. Oh my God, there's so much stuff in here. I was in California going back and forth for a couple months with my boyfriend's mother was ill, and she did pass away. And by the time I got back, I was just stacked and stacked and stacked with boxes. I've mentioned that in my other videos, but today I just filmed so many. So you're gonna see the same clothes on me, just trying to get back to the norm. So the first thing, and it's so funny because the last box I opened, I was so excited because they had Headband. And this is a pretty one. The other ones I got, they look like they could be disposable. So if you get makeup and sweat and everything on there, you can just throw them out. There were like 12 in there. The next thing that just fell out is a Jade Roller. And this is probably the 5th one I got this month. So I put them on my Mercari and Poshmark website. So if you are in the need of a Jade Roller, I do have a ton of them. You can check that out. I leave my Mercari link below. It's kind of like a Poshmark, and my Poshmark below. And the next thing are these pink earrings. Now, I can't wear heavy earrings, so I could not possibly wear these earrings, but they are absolutely beautiful. And my son's getting married, as you all know, in Mexico, and the bridesmaids are wearing pink. And this would probably go good. Now, my daughter doesn't have her ears pierced, so I'm going to check and see if her maid of honor would like these, because it's like the perfect color. So those are really nice earrings. The next thing is Seaweed Bath Company Hydrating Seaweed Bath. And who doesn't love a good bath? I've been getting so many bath products. I could probably take 2 baths a day and still not be happy. The next thing is Liquid Kohl Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner. And I always try to find a good eyeliner because my eyes are so sensitive that when I put it on, like some of the pencils, it's like they gouge your eyes. So This looks like a real nice one. I'll let you know. Yeah, there's so much stuff in here. Clarence. Now, Clarence is a good brand. I used to buy my Clarence at Macy's or Marshall Fields, as it used to be called. And this is an exfoliating cleanser. So I know those are expensive. The next is Babu Clear Zinc Sunscreen SPF 30. Okay, this is definitely a keeper and going into my bag because I am like as white as a ghost. And everybody laughs at me because they're like, aren't you from Arizona? But originally I'm from Chicago, but I've always been white. And as much as I lay in the sun, the color isn't gonna change. So a good sunscreen, the best. The next thing is by Kerastase in Paris. It's 99% natural. Not sure what it is. It must be a hairspray or a hair gel. We'll have to look that up. It's a super nice size and it comes in all sorts of languages. So we have your basic French that my daughter could read. Then we have like Chinese or Korean that my daughter-in-law could read. And then, oh, there's some English that maybe I can read. So this is really a nice size. And another pair of eyelashes. I don't know how to put them on. I was gonna spend the day like watching videos to see how to put them on. So if you know how to put these on, please let me know. I have them on my nose and on my cheeks. The next thing in this box is by Ardell, and it is Slow Blow is the color, and it's a lipstick, and it's a really pretty color. Have you seen all the products I've taken out of this box? $39.99. I'm not sure if they're shipping, but again, link, discount, and price will be below. And another thing I cannot eat, Popcornopolis Nearly Naked Popcorn. Maybe I can eat it. It's 38 calories per cup, non-GMO, 100% American grown corn, gluten-free. I think I could sneak this into the diet. Still more to go. The next thing is by Clarence, and it's hard to read because it's in a clear bottle. I'm not sure if it's a toner, but I'll find out when I read everything. Still more to go. Next thing is Jinsoon Nail Lacquer. Now I get my nails done, but I like to sometimes bring my own polish, and I think I would bring that one. Wow, that is a pretty color. Next thing is Super Smile. It's a professional whitening system. I've gotten that charcoal toothpaste, but I don't think I've ever gotten a whitening system. This I know I can eat. Peeled Snacks, gently dried organic mango. Yummy num. And the last thing in this box is Crystal Hills Organic Crystal Dreams Body Serum. Gently rub into damp skin post-bath or shower to seal in moisturizer. And look at the size of that. Okay. Holy moly. That's a nice. Let's see if it's. I have so many smells on me right now. Oops. It does smell very good. So that was everything that was in my box. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 items in this box. So let's find out exactly what we got. And I don't know if they put prices, retail prices in this or not, but the first thing is the Crystal Body Serum, and that retails for $58. And I can believe it. It was a big size. Again, you use it after baths or showers while your skin is wet. Then the Clarence One-Step Exfoliating Cleanser with orange extract retails for $9, and the other one was a toning lotion with chamomile, and that retails for $7. Then there was the Taming My Thick Curly Hair Can Feel Like a Full-Time Job. That was the taming lotion that came in 10 different languages. So that looks nice. And then the Liquid Kohl Liquid Liner is $22. Oh, the hair stuff is $20. And those earrings, those beautiful earrings and blush, were $50. The Babu sunscreen was $19. The Seaweed Bath, $3.99. And that Jade Roller is $25. And the Spa Head Wrap, which I'm loving already, is $10. And again, there was a little coloring book, is $5. And the Mini Deluxe Whitening System is $9. That nail polish, that beautiful nail polish, was $18. The mangoes were $4.79. Oh my God. And the lipstick was $9.99. The eyelashes were $3.99. The Nearly Naked Popcorn, $2. And that looks like everything. And again, they donate. So they have in the book where they donate, how they change a child's future. They invest in the community. This is a great box. This is like a 5 cactus. I will take a picture, put it on my Instagram. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I do post pictures of my boxes. And comment, comment, comment. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.